In this video, I will show you how to turn off message option on Facebook page. First of all, open the Facebook application. Make sure you are logged into your Facebook page. Once you're on the home screen of the app, look at the top right corner and tap on the profile icon that has little hamburger menu with three horizontal lines. This will open the main menu. Scroll through the options until you see the one that says settings and privacy. Tap on that, and from the list that appears, go ahead and select settings. In the settings, scroll down and under the audience and visibility section, you will have an option of how people find and contact you. Tap on that. Here, simply turn off the toggle button in front of the allow people to message your page option. Once it's turned off, no one will be able to send new messages to your page, and the message button will no longer be visible to the public on your page. Now, to verify the newly selected settings, go back to the home screen. Tap on the profile icon from the top. On the profile page, tap on the three dots icon next to the advertise option. Then tap on view as option. Here you can see that the messages option has been turned off. And this is how you can turn off message option on Facebook page.